American Lawn Mower Company 1204-14. Blade Push Reel Lawn Mower. Blade reel mower with a cutting width of 14 inches and durable 8.5 inches polymer wheels for maximum maneuverability. Lightweight at only 19 pounds, reel lawn mowers are great for small lawns. This push lawn mower has an adjustable blade height of 0.5 inches to 1.75 inches. Capable of cutting grass up to 4 inches tall and is less effective on taller grass. Manual grass cutter is environment-friendly alternative to other lawn mowers. This push mower is pollution-free, noise-free, low maintenance, lightweight and easy to use. A reel mower uses a cutting action that does not bruise or damage the blades of grass. For best results using a reel push mower, mow no more than 1/3 of the grass blade, so that the roots stay intact. Increase the amount of overlap while using your push mower if your lawn reaches a height of 4 inches or more. It's better to mow smaller amounts more frequently than it is to let the grass get long. Try not reel mower when the grass is wet. About this item. Brand: American Lawn Mower Company. Power source: self-propelled. Material: alloy steel, polymer. Color: red. Style: mower. Item weight: 20 pounds. Cutting width: 14 inches. Number of positions: 5. Operation mode: manual. Product dimensions: 24 inches diameter, 20 inches wide, 42.5 inches height.